Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi. Once again, this is Lyndon and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am gonna be showing you the should I say opposite version of my earlier tutorial. This time around I will be showing how you can convert your PDF file to a Word file. This is guaranteed fast, free and easy, and you will not need to install any other softwares anymore. So let's start. First you go to your computer and go to the location of your PDF file. You don't need to open it, but I will just do it for a while for you to see its content. Now I'll close it, then open Microsoft Word. As you can see, I am using Microsoft 365, but I'm pretty sure this will work in other versions. I'll just resize the windows like this for you to see how it is being done. Once Microsoft Word is open, drag your PDF file to the blank document. A dialog box will appear saying, Word will now convert PDF to an editable document. This may take a while. Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. Just click OK. After a few seconds the converted Word file will open. Click Enable Editing and save it to anywhere you want it on your computer. As you can see, it made a great conversion. Super easy, right? Again, I hope I managed to help you. If you like this kinds of contents, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell so you can get notified if there'll be a new video. Thanks for watching.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.